Hey developers, let's learn how you can use a font family property in Tailwind CSS, which I should have already explained to you. But let's try using different fonts. So let's try using font sans, and let's try using font serif. If I save this file, if I open it in the browser and reload the page, you can see this is different text than this text and this text. Let's try using another class. I think by default it's font sans, and let's try using a font mono. If I save this file, if I open it in the browser and reload it, you can see this is font mono, this is font serif, and this is the font sans. So this is how you can use a font family. I will explain later how we can use our custom fonts in Tailwind CSS, but that's an advanced concept. So let's talk about it later.